Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Open Sketchup and confirm you are running 2017 or newer. This method uses the extension Warehouse and RBZ installer. Choose Window, then Extension Manager to proceed. If you run Sketchup Make or Pro, both support RBZ and Warehouse installs. Confirm preferences allow extensions to load after install. Close any model windows to avoid conflicts during installation. Keep your Sketchup license or account credentials handy for Extension Warehouse access. Sign in to Extension Warehouse using your Sketchup account credentials now. Use the search box to find the extension by name. Click the extension page and then click Install to begin adding it. Sketchup will download and install the extension automatically when prompted. Watch for permission dialogues and approve them to complete installation. After install completes, restart Sketchup so the new tool loads into the interface correctly and reliably. Download the extension RBZ file to a known folder on your computer. In Sketchup, open Window, then Extension Manager to install manually. Click Install Extension and navigate to the downloaded RBZ file. Confirm any security prompts to allow file installation to proceed. After installation, find the tool under Extensions or in a new toolbar menu. If the tool does not appear, open Preferences, then Extensions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.